Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping both devices. Enable Bluetooth and confirm Google Play services are up to date because Fast Pair relies on that integration. Once done, put the earbuds into their manufacturer-specific pairing mode, usually holding a button or opening the case, so they broadcast the Bluetooth packet. Make sure your phone screen is unlocked and notifications aren't blocked, since Fast Pair shows a prompt. These steps let your device detect the earbuds immediately and surface the pairing card. You should see a Fast Pair notification or pop-up card within seconds. Tap it to start. The card explains the device name, Bluetooth address, and asks for permissions like location or contacts sync. Grant what's needed for full functionality. Once you accept, Fast Pair exchanges authentication and configure settings, including optional Google services and firmware checks. Make sure to follow any extra on-screen steps the manufacturer adds, because those finalize features like button mapping or touch control. After pairing, verify the earbuds appear as connected in Bluetooth settings and check battery level or device metadata on the Fast Pair card. If audio or controls aren't working, open the manufacturer app to install firmware updates. That often fixes compatibility issues. If the Fast Pair prompt never appeared, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your phone, or clear the Bluetooth cache to force rediscovery. If problems persist, reset the earbuds to factory pairing mode and repeat the process to ensure a clean start.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.